Okay, guys. Yesterday there's something I I had issues. Like I was thinking of whether introducing it to you guys. Another tool is very important, and you guys, some of you who are developers, must have seen it. More, you guys must know about it. It's Postman. All right, Postman client. This software here. So it's a REST client. I added it to the tools today. I Yesterday I wanted, I was contemplating on either allowing us to install it, because we can actually do what it does. We can actually do it with some of the extensions on this VS Code editor. All right, I was planning on that instead of installing it to use VS Code editor to. There's a way we use some extensions to do that. But I still think no. Instead of, why not we install this Postman, because I believe it's more reliable than any extensions that we're going to be using on VS Code. So I don't know if you don't have it on your system. I would like to uh, I would like us to install it, Postman. So how do you install it? So you can just come on Google, you type Postman download. I already typed it here. So then you come to this link where you see www.postman.com and download. Just Postman download here. The first link is very straightforward. Um, you actually have to, just for, you can sign up, sign up, create an account for free. Then it will automatically, when you're here, it will automatically detect your operating system. Then you can click download. Then it will start downloading for you. I already have it installed. I've already used it. So if you are new, just start downloading it. Then after it has downloaded, just go to the download and double click, and it will install for you. It's very straightforward. Then you can, when you're done, you can come back to this page, sign up. You can sign up with your Gmail or any email that you want. Just create a private account. I already had an account with them. So then when you've installed it and it's good to go, then we can start using it for, whatever I want to do. So that's that. So if you don't have it on your system, you can install it. Postman is a REST HTTP client. So HTTP client. All right. So do you guys have any question for me? Are you facing any challenge installing our tools? Please feel free to speak up. All right. Or if you can I start asking you guys to show me your environment, so that I will see if you can show me. Let me see. Like, probably show me that you've installed your workbench, MySQL workbench, or you've installed VS Code. I would like to see them. Now, hello, Cliff. Cliff, are you here?
Hi, yes, I'm here.
All right. So, how about your Docker installation? Was it successful yesterday?
Yeah, I managed to install it yesterday. It's okay.
Okay. So it's now working fine, right? It's working okay. No issues really, right?
Yeah, no issues. Just waiting now. To now what you'll direct us on what to do. But everything
Okay.
else is ready. I have also Postman.
Okay. Okay. So if you like look at mine here, if I just double click, it will come up. So when you click it, it comes up. Okay, I think. Okay. All right. So that's good to hear, Cliff, that your Docker is up and running. So I just want us to be ready for next week because this is a hands-on project. This is a hands-on course. It's not something I will just come and show you, teach you, talk, do my code on my screen. You just be watching. I would like us to be participating. So that's why I'm taking this first week, Saturday and Sunday, to give us time to set up our environment so that when we are, so that when we start the course, it will be as I'm working, you'll be also be working on your own end. So that if you encounter any error, you just throw it at me. We'll solve it together. It's better than downloading a course on YouTube or getting downloading getting a course anywhere where the instructor is just working and you're flowing through. If you encounter any issue, he won't be there to help you out except you send them email or something. So, but this is live, live course. If you have any issue, I'll just stop and we'll sort it out. Then we'll continue so that everybody will be carried along. Okay, so I don't know, Andrew, are you here? Hello, Andrew.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, how are you?
I'm fine.
So, are your tools ready? Are your working environments ready?
Um, yes. I think I'm only remaining with Postman, the one that you've added.
Okay, okay,
But
but
I have,
others are ready, right?
yes, the others are ready.
Good, good. That's nice. That's good to hear. Okay, I'm looking at Brian. Hello, Brian. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, nice, nice of you to be here. So, your tools, your working environment, are they ready?
Okay, I think yesterday I was not here, but I have at least at most all of them. But the Docker I've not installed. Maybe you can go through it so that I can see how we go about. But all those Postman, MySQL, VS Code, I have all those. GitHub, Git, I have all of them.
Okay, great, great. Your Docker is are you facing any issue with installing Docker?
Yeah, I've not used. Let's say I've not used it since, so I don't know how to install it. Maybe configurations, all those sorts of things.
Okay, so do you want us to try it out, or you want to wait?
If you can do it right now, I can see it, or you can. If you can do another time, I can wait also. No problem.
Okay, okay. So this is it. It's straightforward. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
So it's just straightforward Docker download. You are using Windows, right?
Yeah, I'm using Windows.
Windows what? 11 or 10?
Uh, my machine is not compatible with Windows 11, so I was going to install Linux, but not now. Let's say in the next 3 days, 4 days, I'll install it. But let's now for now let's use Windows 10.
Okay, Windows 10 is also good. So when you are here, this page, this one that says install Docker desktop on Windows, this is where you should come because it's directly telling you to come here. So when you are here, um, then you'll see this. Of course, this is the one you download, all right? So when you click this, it will start your download, all right? So I already have it installed. I'm not going to download it. So when it has finished downloading, depending on your network speed, then you can go and double click to install. Then after installing, one thing about Docker on Windows is that it needs this WSL to function, to work. WSL is a Windows subsystem for Linux. So for your Windows there, you need to install it, the version 2. So to know if you have WSL set up on your Windows, you need to check. You do WS, go to your terminal, CMD or PowerShell, do WSL version. Then if it's installed, you see this message this way. But if it's not, it will throw an error. Then you need to, if it throws an error, you need to install it. You need to install it. So you do WSL install, then you install your WSL to start install. It takes time. Then sometime when you click this, it will prompt you to use the Microsoft Store. Your system may ask you to use the Microsoft Store if this doesn't go through. So what this command will do is that it will install Ubuntu on your system, Ubuntu operating distribution of Linux. It will install it by default. All right, that's the default distribution it's going to install. But if it asks you to go to your Microsoft store, what you do is you just come to Microsoft Store. You just go to your store and you look for then you search for Ubuntu here or WSL2, anyone. Then you can install this or you install this, any one of them. All right. When you come here, just click get, then it will install on your system. All right. Then when it has installed, you'll be able to open Docker. Then when Docker is installed, you get this icon, the shortcut icon. Then you can pin it on on your taskbar. Then start using it. So, but you may encounter some challenges on if your system is not set up for hypervisor or multi-threading. So you can come to you can do some search here. Let's see. Well, this stage here, I don't want us to come to this I don't want to introduce this part here until maybe probably when we start using it, and some of you may encounter some error that will make us to start debugging coming to this place. But so I don't want us to come here because it may not actually lead us to here. Some of you, if you install Docker and you install your WSI to start working, but some may encounter issues, with Docker, even if you have installed your WSL. So when you get that issue, then we can be able to resolve it when we start using Docker. All right, that's why I don't want to, bring us to that part yet. So, Jesus, my network is down.
Welcome back.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, I have some network issues. Okay, I think I'll have to adjust these settings so that I won't be notified. People can just join freely. So, okay. So, guys, I don't know. For the sake of time, I will leave us. I will have to go. Then I'll be in the group. If anybody has any issue, I'll be available to attend to the person. All right. So seems like we are almost set with our tools. So when we are ready, so please get ready next week. Next week will be hands-on. I want us to participate fully. We'll start. We're going to. I will share the whole syllabus with us very soon. When I will share it, then you can just have a look. You can do your own self-study. Then from there, by next week, we'll start a hands-on practice. We'll explain. We'll code together. We'll debug together, and everything will just go as planned by God's grace. So thank you guys for coming around today. Thank you. So hopefully by next week we are all set. So we'll be all set. If you have any issue, drop into the group. Um, Tag me. Then I'll respond to your message. Then I think that will be all. If you have any issue, just get to me. All right. Thank you guys for coming around today. Next week, hot hot. All right, guys. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. So okay, you can all leave. Thank you for coming around today. I will share the. I will still share the recording if any of you wants to see. Just go through it. We didn't do much today. Okay, guys. Thank you.